Okay, so the intro goes with two parts. It starts with the first plane and then it does the little trill in the beginning. So 1. I'm forgiven. So that's how it starts. So this one first. And that does it twice. And the next one. 3 times. Right? So that first part. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it goes to the next one again. But this next one, it does it. And resolves the E sus, right? So. Okay, so those are the 2 intro bars, right? First, start with the plane. Doesn't resolve the E sus. Resolved. Then it starts the song. I'm forgiven because you were forsaken. I'm accepted. You were condemned. Okay. Then it keeps going. And you cannot have to do the every single time, but I think the video does. Because you died and rose again. Amazing love. You can hold this. So that's how they resolve it, the E sus. So if you do this amazing love, you can hold the same right hand. No, it's true. And when you do this, you can hold this. Notice how it does the sus automatically by holding it. And then after you do that 2 beats, you do this. If you listen to the video, it does that thing at about that time.